Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to create a group on the WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started guys. To create a group on the WhatsApp, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to open the WhatsApp and tap on the chats tab, and you can see tap on the three dots at the very top and you can see new group option. Tap right here in the new group and now select the contacts you want to add to the group. For example, I can select one, two, three and just simply tap right here on that button and enter a group subject. Now enter a group subject, for example, friends. Friends. So now tap on the create button again. So the group will be created. So this is how you can easily create a group on your WhatsApp. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.